In front of me is Xiaomi 13 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this device. First of all, go into settings and scroll down to access additional settings. Now scroll down again and tap on one-handed mode. Following that, you need to click on this gray sweater next to one-handed mode in order to activate it. Then follow all of those instructions. Turn on one-handed mode by swiping left or right from the center of navigation panel. So when I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is on. If you wish to go back, swipe up or click on this gray area. In order to disable one-handed mode completely, click on the same no blue sweater. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!